Hi there. Today, we're going to learn how to create compressed backups. It's a smart way to save storage space and speed up your backup process. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the WP Staging tab and click on Backup and Migration to continue. Before we create a compressed backup, we'll first create a standard backup without compression. In the Backup and Migration section, you'll see a Create Backup button. Go ahead and click on it. Now enter a name for your backup and click on the Start Backup button to begin. Wait for the Backup Complete message. Once you see it, click the Close button. After creating the standard backup, go to the Settings tab. Scroll down and find the Compressed Backups checkbox. Check this box and click the Save Changes button. Go back to the Backup and Migration tab and click the Create Backup button again. Enter a name for your backup and click the Start Backup button. Wait for the Backup Complete message. Once you see it, click the Close button. Your compressed backup has been successfully created. Then go to the Backup section where you'll see both your compressed and standard backups. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.